All right, so the coin that is on our radar today is Cook Protocol, token COOK. Just went live today, all dexed out and trading at 27 cents. It is up just 12% on its initial day of trading. It was up about 20% or so a little earlier. And currently the market cap is exactly no data. So we will get that figured out with CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. It's currently trading on Uniswap, Gate.io, and MXC, whatever the hell that is. But yeah, if you guys are not familiar with Cook Protocol, it is focusing on the asset management category within DeFi. It is a completely decentralized cross-chain asset management platform built for investors and professional asset managers. If you guys are familiar with Enzyme Finance and Set Protocol, very similar to those two projects. Both of those, however, use Ethereum, so they've been screwed by the high gas prices like everyone, and they also have issues with just the higher barrier to entry and requirements you need to qualify as a fund manager. So Cook Protocol has that over them, but there's actually two tokens. The one that's live today, the Cook, the COOK token. And that is the one that is the native governance token of the protocol, which allows for its holders to create and vote on proposals. Cook can also be used to pay for fees on the platform, and fees are incurred when investing in or initializing a fund. So if you're a fund manager, you can collect your fees in the Cook token. The other token is called the CK token, and that is just a representation of the user's funds within the platform. And the CK token is actually minted when a user supplies assets to a fund and then can later be redeemed for the assets that it represents. But a very interesting new entrant into the DeFi space. Yeah, some big investors behind it. The Block Dream Fund, the investment arm of the OKX exchange, is behind it. DuckDAO is an investor. They're also doing a bit of business development and marketing partnerships with them too. And a pretty deep bench on the team. I think it's about 30 plus in terms of just the employee base of the Cook Protocol. The CEO, Adrian Ping, has a long history of working in traditional tech. He worked at Google and Oracle, if you're familiar with those companies. And he's also worked on both Filecoin, Polkadot, and he also did some work on Ethereum within the blockchain space. And their chief architect is from Fidelity. I think he has 12 plus years within kind of the fintech space and at Fidelity. And then their head of development comes from Wayfair, and then some other tech roles within the Silicon Valley space. But a very interesting project, taking on asset management within DeFi is going to be kind of the hot new project that everyone's talking about. I know BitBoy Crypto is behind it, and some other big kind of names and influencers are getting on the bandwagon on the Cook Protocol. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Cook Protocol. Whether you think the project looks interesting or looks like it just sucks, or some other kind of DeFi plays you guys are kind of looking into. But yeah, please give a like and subscribe. We'll be covering a coin every day, and please come back and check them out. Never know how to end these things. So yeah, I'm just going to go hit stop record, but that is the Cook Protocol token COOK. Okay, goodbye.